In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Temu website www.temu.com for managing orders and refunds. Let's get started by heading over to temu.com. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll want to focus on the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the option to sign in register. Click on this to either log into your existing account or create a new one. It's a necessary step to access your orders and account settings. Once successfully logged in, look towards the top of the web page for the orders and account link. This tab is crucial as it houses all your previous transactions and ongoing orders, making it the hub for managing your purchase activities. Go ahead and click on it. This section offers a comprehensive overview of your purchase history, allowing you to track orders and manage your account settings effectively. Now, if you're looking to return an item, you'll want to locate the returns option in your account dashboard. Clicking on returns will lead you to the page where you can initiate a return process for an item you've purchased. It's a straightforward feature designed to help you handle unsatisfactory purchases effectively. The next step involves choosing a reason for your refund. Here, Temu provides a list of common reasons why a customer might want to return a product. You'll see options like damaged or defective item, wrong item sent, item not as described, or item arrived too late. Selecting one of these can potentially increase the chances of being offered a refund without the need to return the item. So make sure to choose the reason that best fits your situation. Once you've selected your reason, you'll need to upload proof to support your claim. This could be a photo or a video showing the defect or issue you encountered with the product. Providing clear evidence can streamline the process and make it easier for the support team to evaluate your request. After providing your reason and evidence, the next step is to submit your request. Look for the submit button on the page, and once you're ready, click it. This will forward your refund or return request to the customer service team at Temu, who will then process it further. After submitting, you might want to keep an eye out for the keep item option. Sometimes, depending on the seller or item, you might be allowed to keep the item while still receiving a refund. It's a handy option if it's available, as you won't have to go through the hassle of shipping back the product. And finally, confirm the completion of your request and you're done. Please note that as of July 2025, Temu has been adjusting its refund without return policies due to changes in regulations. Although sometimes you might wish for refund without return, these are increasingly at the seller's discretion rather than guaranteed by the platform. With this guide, you should now feel confident in managing your Temu orders and handling refunds.